Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Budge Tech. Budge Tech is all about invention, technology, recycling, paper crafts, DIY and many more. If you are new to this channel, you want to subscribe because I release new videos every week. So today on Budge Tech, I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade your toothbrushes and make brushing your teeth easier. So the things you need to do this are: 1. Your toothbrush. You can either use your current toothbrush or you can either buy a new one. 2. You need your toothpaste. You can use your favorite toothpaste. 3. You need your syringe. Make sure you're very careful with it. 4. You need your glue and your soldering iron. And lastly, your tube. Make sure it's halfly the length of your toothbrush. So once you have all your materials ready, you are good to go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your syringe. Once you're done opening your syringe, you're going to glue it to the back of your toothbrush. Before that, you're going to fill up your syringe with your favorite toothpaste. Make sure it's filled to the brim. Then you cover it up tightly. So now you can then glue it to the back of your toothbrush. Now apply your glue slightly at the back of your toothbrush. Then you glue it. So once you've glued your syringe to the back of your toothbrush, you're going to fix your plastic tube to the top of your syringe. Make sure your tube is long enough to reach the brush. After that, then we move to the final step. You're going to use your soldering iron to drill a hole on the brush. So once you're done with that, you're going to make sure the hole is big enough for the tube to pass through. Once you fix it in, you're going to make sure it comes out at the other side. Once you're sure that it has come out to the other side, you're going to use your glue to glue it in place. Once you're done gluing it, you're officially done upgrading your toothbrush. watching this video, please make sure you like, share and subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment below on the next video you want me to make. But for now, I want to go brush my teeth. Bye.